Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Valorant is not launching, starting, and not even opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Locate your Valorant desktop icon. Now make a right click, select show more options, click on properties. Then you have here the compatibility tab, click on that. Then you have this option, disable full screen optimizations, check that. Run this program as an administrator, check that. Click on apply and click on OK. Then we also need to check the VGC service if this is running or if it has stopped running. So in the Windows search bar, type services. Click on it under the best match. Now simply scroll down to the V section as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Now once you find VGC, make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If it has stopped running, click on start. If it is already running, click on stop. Click on start to restart the service. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK and close the services window. Then locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click, select run as administrator. Try running the application as an administrator because most of the time this will work. So let's see if this will open the application. So as you can see, it has launched the application. So from here, just simply type your username and your password. Click on this arrow and then enjoy the Valorant game. Then we can also temporarily disable the antivirus because this might block the application from launching. So if you are using the Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Make a right click at the Malwarebytes, select quit Malwarebytes, click on the Windows security icon. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Turn off the real-time protection and then let the application launch. And once it has been launched, just simply enable it again from here. Then exit the Riot games from here. We also need to make sure that our graphics card driver is updated. So make a right click at the Start button. Select Device Manager in the list of options. Now here in the Device Manager window, locate the display adapters. Then make a right click, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. And do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update. Then simply click this button right here. So this will download, check, and install all the updates for your Windows, which is a very good thing. And once you're up to date, then simply restart your Windows and after that, launch the Valorant game. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Wait for all the applications to load. In here, you need to look for Valorant. Click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now, once uninstalled, click on done, and then open any of browser that you are using on your Windows. Type here Valorant, download, hit enter. You'll have the first result, which is from playvalorant.com en-us. You have to simply click on that. Then you have to scroll down. Click on the download button. Now the installer file will be downloaded. Let's just wait for that. Once done, click on it and close the Edge browser. Click on install. So this will reinstall the application. So now it is up. So what you can do from here, simply sign in with your username and your password. Click on this arrow and then enjoy the game Valorant. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.